Let's explore exporting your schematic from HydroSym to HydroMan. Keep these 3 key points in mind. Use an eye border. The eye border sets the manifold boundaries. Export anything inside or along the edge to HydroMan. Use components, not symbols. Components have to be used for exporting, as symbols lack data. Components define cavities and holes, ensuring that your data exports correctly. Assign main and subgroup colors. Unique subgroup colors are essential for each connection. They help in design and error checking in HydroMan. For more on assigning colors, refer to our HydroSym tutorials group colors video. When ready, export your schematic to HydroMan. Select the eye border, right-click and choose Eye Border, Create HydroMan File. Alternatively, click the HydroMan icon in the top right corner. To activate the HydroMan icon, navigate to Tools, then Preferences, and select Miscellaneous. Choose HydroMan is available on this PC. Restart HydroSym to access the export option. When exporting, HydroSym checks your schematic for issues that might affect the manifold design in HydroMan, such as a missing connection between 2 lines in the same subgroup. Here are some possible alerts. No groups defined. This means that a connection line lacks a subgroup. Cannot check component, meaning HydroSym can't verify the component data, possibly due to a custom component or one removed from the library. Not marked for using in a manifold. This means that a symbol is used in place of a component. Component not connected. The component is not connected or closed. Missing group connection means that a connection is absent between 2 lines in the same subgroup, or a subgroup is used multiple times. Size in the schematic doesn't match the component. This means that a size text was altered, but the component data wasn't updated. The original size will export. In the pop-up window, decide how to create your HydroMan file. You can start from scratch, use a template, or update an existing manifold file. Starting from scratch means using default HydroMan settings. Using a template applies predefined file settings, ensuring consistent drawing styles. You can save multiple templates for various projects, which saves time. Updating an existing manifold file is perfect for design adjustments, like adding a valve. This option updates only the changed components. This window also allows you to define the type of thread you're exporting, where relevant. When satisfied, press OK. Your file opens in HydroMan if the option is active. If not, a window will prompt permission to open the file. If no window appears, save the file on your computer, then open it in HydroMan.